Today is Friday. It's a very rainy day in New York City, and I'm just actually preparing myself to head down to the city. I have a very exciting Wednesday day planned. It's like a whole day from like 1 p.m. to like 6, 7 p.m. And it is a full circle moment because the brand that I'm going to the experience with is a brand that I started with from the beginning. And it's basically the brand that I did the first piece of content for when I pivoted into the skincare realm of things. And you know, it's just, let me see if I could, I don't know if I could say it, but I can, I'm super excited. I am extremely excited, and this has been like in a back and forth for quite some time. T-Mobile has been stressing me the F out because they're supposed to be delivering an upgrade to my phone, and it's taken weeks. It's been on back order. And so today of all days, when I have to be out of the house, when they need a signature for me to receive the package, is when they want to bring the package. So I'm cutting it close. It's like maybe like 11:30, and I have to get to Manhattan for like 1:30. So, and I'm in Queens. So, I'm trying to figure that out. And hopefully they just drop it in my lap. But I still won't have time to set it up, but at least I can use the camera share. I got to bring a +1, so I'm bringing Flurry with me. And so that will be super fun and interesting for the both of us. And I'll be taking you guys along with me. Oh, let me show you what I'm planning to wear. So I'm thinking this from Fashion Over Men on Over Men. It's a cardigan, double-sided, inverted kind of panel color. All black in the back with some black slacks. This is from where? This is from H&M. It's a nice thick material and it's like very dressy. You can't go wrong with this. I bought this like maybe last summer or 2 summers ago. And it always comes in clutch when you want to give that kind of semi-formal look, but you could always dress it down, dress it up. On the feet, I'm a little bit torn. I don't know if I want to do these chunky sole kind of dress shoes or Doc Martens. The reason is today's a very rainy day and these are a little too big for me, so I usually have to like double sock them. This one is heavy to walk in, so it's just when I put the clothes on, you know how it goes. You put on one thing and then by the time you realize it, you have to change it. So I'll show you the final look when I get dressed. And I think I might also shoot a sunscreen review video. This is not what I'm going to review. You've already seen this on my Instagram. It's the Image Skincare Prevention SPF 30. It's safe, it's clear, so I'm going to use it for today because I'm going to be around cameras and stuff, so I don't want to risk anything. But I might film a video whilst I'm getting dressed on another sunscreen, and hopefully I don't walk out looking like Casper the Ghost. But yeah, today's gonna be great. I need today actually, which will be a nice change of scenery because this week has been very academically straining on me. For some of you who may not know, I'm doing my master's in chemistry and I'm also a graduate assistant, and so my workload plus being a graduate assistant or a teaching assistant has been hectic because midterms for me is also midterms for them, for the undergrad students, and so I still had to like grade papers, conduct their labs. So I'm gonna have a good time, and there's a open bar, I think. So let me hurry up and get dressed because time is a figment of my imagination today, and I need to get down to the city ASAP. And Ubers are looking like $80. It's crazy, and I'm not paying that for Uber. So let me get off this and get dressed. I'm running late, so I have to get out of here. Okay, I'm finally in Chelsea now, walking to the event. I think Flo is walking in a different direction, well, from a different direction than me. And so, Uber, there was no Uber, no train, well, not an Uber. There was no train or no bus that was able to drop us off close enough. So, it's a little like 15-minute walk. But yeah, hope you like the fit, you know? It's a little fally. So, I'm about to find it because, you know, my data and everything is all the way mixed up with this whole T-Mobile stuff. And so I'm walking on faith. Wish me luck. The shit has started. We missed our stop on the elevator. But we're here. I haven't seen her in forever.
It's been like 3 months.
I know.
Like
It might be. It might be. But yeah, so we're about to get on the elevator, back on the elevator. And hopefully we stop at the right one. This is 16, we're going to 14.
Basically just sharing with you guys the method to Rihanna's color radiance. I feel like Rihanna has this beautiful skin about her. Everyone's always asking like, how does she get this flawless look, this no makeup look, and I'm about to share all the tea on how to do that. While I'm doing makeup, you can also ask me questions. So if you have any questions, just feel free to shout it out, or you can ask her what you want to see. He'll come around and he'll kind of guide the question. And I'm just gonna get started.
Okay, so I'm back home. Finally, dry, safe, and fulfilled. Today was a really good day. I really enjoyed the whole Fenty beauty experience, and there was no budget. The budget was non-existent. It was product after experience after sensorial experience, then learning techniques, makeup, skincare, if you name it, it was there. The drinks was good. I got Campari. Okay, those who don't know, everything was so good. It was like the best experience with a brand so far. I got my personalized Fenty bag. It's a vanity bag. It has a mirror inside there. I'll show you guys probably. It's too much to open it right now, but it's products in there. It's at least like $300, $400 worth of products in here. So I am, safe to say, I'm very, very happy. They had like the finger foods at the event. And you know, you don't want to be greedy. So you just have a little, oh, thank you, no thank you, no thank you. Meanwhile, you're starving. You want to die, you want to pass out. So I bought something on the way and I'm gonna go have that. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys in another video. Oh, that's UPS. Is that UPS? Oh my God, yes. It is UPS. They're putting on their hazards. Yes, God. This is, oh my God, almost destroyed my charger. I am so happy. UPS has just pulled up to the building. The package has been secured. Now let me go put my stuff over. It's gonna be a long night. I'm probably not gonna be able to use it until tomorrow morning. It's a whole long process. But today ended really well. It is a very wholesome day. Okay, I figured I showered and got comfortable, ate and did all that good stuff, and I figured why not just give you all a closing out and kind of unbox this. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, these boxes are getting thinner and thinner and thinner. Soon you're gonna get just the iPhone. They're gonna like, somebody's gonna walk up to your door, ring the doorbell, get off, end the call, get off the phone, hand it to you and say, here's your new iPhone. That's what's good. Just for context, I haven't upgraded my phone. I have my current phone is an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and so I've missed 1, 2, 3, 4 upgrades. This is the 4th upgrade since then, and so I thought it was going to be a good opportunity to upgrade. And you know, I'm more into like content stuff now, so you know, cameras are going to be great. Feels so good in the hand. This is the natural titanium. Okay. You see that? This is such a ghetto unboxing, but you know, whatever. So now I have to do all the porting over and all this stuff, and then life, because my old phone is about to crash because I have no space. It was a 64 gigabytes variant, and so this is going to do wonders. So okay, let me set this up, and now this is the end of the video. Bye.